Want to average only the values that meet a specific condition? AVERAGEIF is the Excel formula that does exactly that in just one step. Most people manually filter their data just to find the average for one category. That wastes time and breaks every time your data changes. Start with a table of sales reps and their scores. Click the result cell, then type average F and select your range, your condition, and your average range. The first part is the range you check, like the region column. The second is your condition, such as north, and the third is the column you actually want to average. Excel instantly returns 90, the average score for north region reps only. Change the condition to south and you get a completely different result automatically. You just learned how AVERAGEIF lets you average data by any condition in seconds. Like this video and subscribe for a brand new Excel tip every single day.